Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kelvin here. You may be interested to invest in crypto, but the problem is there are crypto exchanges everywhere. How to choose? So in this video, I want to share a few crypto exchanges that I'm personally using. What are its fees, features, pros and cons. But before I start, I would greatly appreciate it if you can help to tap the like button. In return, I will show you a dog resting with a cat. Alright, let's start right now. First on this list, we have Gemini, ranked number 8 in CoinMarketCap. Gemini is an exchange that's super easy to use. Gemini lets you deposit HUD via fast transfer, which is fast and convenient. Right now, they support around 100 cryptos, including the top cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. But some aren't listed here, like there's no USDT, Cardano, and XRP. Okay, let's talk about the fees. Gemini trading fee is 1.49%, which is actually super high. For every $1,000 you invest, you instantly lose $14.90. With that money, I can easily buy like 5 Chai Fan without fees of course. However, there's a hidden function. If you go to account, click active trader, you will get a more pro-looking user interface. But more importantly, if you use active trader to buy your cryptos, the trading fee is only 0.2%, which is much cheaper compared to the 1.49% that we saw just now. Gemini gives you 10 free crypto withdrawals every month, which is super good because you can use Gemini to buy your cryptos then send it elsewhere for free. One downside about Gemini is that they have very limited HUD trading pair. With active trader, I can only buy BTC, ETH, and Gemini dollar with HUD. But that's just a small issue because if I want to buy other cryptos, I will buy using USD instead. Next up, we have FTX. FTX is ranked number 2 in CoinMarketCap. FTX has a lot of features. They have futures, leverage tokens, and even NFTs. FTX supports more than 100 plus cryptos. But one crypto that is missing is Cardano. However, they plan to add it in the future. FTX trading fee is the lowest in this list, at a super low 0.02% fee. That means if you use $1,000 to trade, you will only spend 20 cents in fee. On top of that, if you stake their native tokens, FTX token or FTT, you will get some discounts off your trading fee. As for withdrawal fees, there's no fees for most cryptos, except for ETH, small BTC withdrawals, and ERC tokens like Uniswap, Mana, Aave, Red Bitcoin, and so on. But again, if you stake FTX tokens, you will get some free ERC20 withdrawals every day. One downside about FTX is that it's not so straightforward to fund and deposit money. While they do support HUD, most banks will charge a fee for sending HUD overseas. So it's best to send USD instead. However, USD transfers usually take around 1 day. So you need to wait a bit, yeah? Deposit instructions are a little confusing, but I got you bro or sis. I've already made a tutorial on how to do deposits and withdrawal from FTX. Overall, FTX has a lot more features, but there's a small learning curve to using it. For the third exchange, we have KuCoin. KuCoin is ranked 5th in CoinMarketCap. One unique point about KuCoin is that they support over 600 plus cryptos. That's because they list cryptos very frequently. In fact, they are listing cryptos almost 2 to 3 days. Almost the same speed as me releasing videos. So if you ever need to find those random small weird cryptos like Donkey, you can check out KuCoin. But just a warning, buying small random weird cryptos has a high risk of losing money. Don't say I never warned you. KuCoin has a ton of extra features that some investors might find useful, like margin trading, derivatives trading. They even have a trading bot that can help you buy and sell cryptos automatically. Their trading fee is 0.1%. But if you stake their native token, KuCoin token or KCS, you will get some discounts off your trading fees. If you sign up with a referral link, you will get additional 5% discount on trading fees. Then withdrawal fees are different for each crypto. One downside about KuCoin is that they don't really support bank transfer. They support credit cards, but it costs like 3.8% to use, which is super duper expensive. The other option is an e-wallet, which I'm sure most of you have never heard of. So if you want to find KuCoin, you first need to buy the crypto from another exchange like Gemini, FTX, then send it over to KuCoin to buy your cryptos. Overall, KuCoin is really good if you need to buy some small cryptos. The next exchange is Crypto.com. Ranked 15 in CoinMarketCap, Crypto.com is another super easy to use exchange. And they just got an MAS license to operate in Singapore. Currently, they support over 200 plus cryptos, and they have quite a few features. First up, they let you deposit and withdraw HUD via StraightX. Second, their earn function actually gives quite a good rate when compared to other exchanges in this list. For example, if you hold Bitcoin for 3 months, the interest rate will be 3% per year. Compare that to Gemini, which only gives a tiny 1% interest. Third, Crypto.com has a debit card which gives you cashbacks whenever you use it. The cashback used to be much more attractive previously. That was until they decided to reduce the rewards to cut costs. Nowadays, you can easily find better credit card rewards elsewhere. However, if you are still confident that the Crypto.com's native token, CRO, will do well, you can still stick for the card and receive some free Spotify and Netflix along the way. Let's move on to the fees. If you buy via Express, there's no trading fees. Selling will cost 0.4%. Also, take note that StraightX has a 30k annual deposit limit. Most of the time, this won't be an issue unless you are some rich Saudi prince who needs to buy a lot of cryptos. Okay, here's the downside about Crypto.com. If you use the app to buy cryptos, the exchange rate are not that good, meaning you will end up getting lesser cryptos compared to other exchanges. If you need a better rate, you will need to use their website, Crypto.com exchange, to buy cryptos. Last but not least, CoinHardCo. Recently, CoinHardCo got a MAS license to operate in Singapore, which means they got a seal of approval from MAS and won't be kicked out from Singapore like Binance. So if you need an exchange that's regulated, CoinHardCo would be your choice. Currently, CoinHardCo supports around 60 cryptos, and they have a daily login system where if you log in every day, you will earn some points, which you can then use to exchange for discounts. Okay, let's talk about the fees. Recently, CoinHardCo reduced their trading fees from 1% to 0.6%. So, that's nice. There's a $2 fee if you withdraw HUD to the bank. Here's what I don't like about CoinHardCo. While CoinHardCo supports most of the top cryptos, they don't support sending and receiving some of the cryptos. Like if you buy BNB, it can only sit in CoinHardCo and do nothing else. Overall, CoinHardCo is an easy to use exchange, and it has MAS license, which is nice. As you can see, there's no perfect crypto exchange. All of them have their strengths and weaknesses. Anyway, that's all for today. Hopefully, this helps you out. Like, share, and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.